Hi guys, we will talk about the general case of truncation again. So we start with this table. So you can see here, this is the monthly measures by stores. So you have the store here, and then we have the measures, and then we have the number. We have the cost in negative form, and then the revenue in the positive. Okay, so in order to do this, this one is not regular table, so it's more for Excel viewers, but there we see a lot of missing values here and then a lot of empty rows here. So we need to regularize, or you need to fix this table a little bit in order to make it regularizes. So now you can see all the store, each store here will have like five or six measures, and then uh, there will be numbers. There were three for cost and three for revenue, and no more empty rows anymore. So this one is ready to work with already, and then we will do the truncation and exercise again, but truncation by store. So how many store do we have in here? We can count in here as well, but the simplest one would be just to group them all together by store, and then like this, and then we don't have to scroll to all the fields. So we just group by store, so store here, and then group by, and then we run the workflow, and then we will see the number of stores in here. So there are seven of them. I want to top three, for example. If I want top three, then how can I do that? Okay, so the first thing is, uh, how about I just sum all the numbers together? But in this case, we have a lot of numbers, and then we have to combine them all together. Okay, so I again, one more time, I use the transpose tool here, and then I check on two of them, store and measures, and I combine the columns together. So in this case, uh, you can have the values in here, and then they can be revenue or cost. So if you want to sort by revenue or by cost or by anything else, you just need to split them into categories. So I will uh, s- split this one into account, and then if the measure contains measure revenue, then I put it into the revenue account, total revenue. Other than that, if the else if the mm, the measure contain the word cost, and then I will make it total cost. Other than that else, and then I will put the x-axis in here. Okay, so if you put this one into the cross table, you will have the value for each customer, or sorry, for each store. You will have the different accounts by uh, by in this case, because of the values here is not is not uh, a number, so I have to use this select tool in front here, and then I will change this one to numbers or double precision numbers, and then later I can pivot them with I can sum them all together. So you see here the sum up here. So after this, you can just have this one. Okay, so I think there is some conversion errors here. It's not a valid number. I think because some of the cost is not It's not clean yet, so I cannot see in here. But I think I need to fix this one a little bit. So value, I would trim the value, and I tried to. Oh, sorry, I have to trim this one in front of the. Uh, oops, I I have to trim in front of the selection. Okay, so in here, I think measure is fine. And then I need to trim. I think we have to do more than that, but let us try first and then see. Uh, okay, there we go. So cost, I think something is wrong with the conversion already. Oh, there is a type in here. Sorry. I think we don't need this type anymore. So I have to select the type in here. So I don't need the type anymore, but then I still need to fix the value just in. Oh, because the type. Okay, so sorry about that. I think the data itself has the data the type in it, but I just uh, for, forgot about it because it's up here at the end. Okay, so let us see how it goes. So in here, if you have the type already, then you just use the type and then sum them all together. So this one I have to put by store as well, and then you can see the different numbers. Okay, so this is the cost and this is the revenue. If you want to make the net, you have to add another column. So adding another column, net, which is the revenue plus the cost. So in this case, the cost is negative already, so you just need to plus it and then divide by the revenue, and then you. Sorry, this was the margin. And then you can compute the margin as well. You just divide the net by the revenue. Okay, and change this one to the number. Okay, so you have the whole thing already, and then you can sort the customer by any of them. So any of those four would be. So if you want to pick the guy generate cost a lot, you sort by the first column, and this one is the second column. So I will sort the first one by the net and let's see how. So I put the so if you want to make your you can actually put uh, the sorting by net. Sorry. So you can actually put the net here to sort by net as well. But then later, if you want to sort this one by the other category, it will be more difficult. So rather than this, I will put the sorting column in here, and I can bind the column sorting, and I bind the column by any of the column in here. So now instead of using the net, I will use a sorting. So they're the same for now, but then later if I change to revenue or cost, they will be different. Okay, so after this, then I can just add the rank at the last column of the table, and then I will do the cutting again. So if this one I cut by 3, and then I will this one is store top top 3. Okay, so actually we can do top 5 as well, but if the rank is smaller than or equal to 3, then I will put the store rank in front, and then I plus the store name, and then other than that I will put others. If okay, so after this I will have um, the store here, and I want to bring this one back to the table here for the truncation, or actually bring here. So in this case I just use a VLOOKUP in here, and then I will match the entire view of the store, and then I just bring the store. Okay, so that there's a little bit problem with this naming, because later if I want to, for now it's good, but for later if I want to store this one by net, but I want to store by revenue, then it will be a little bit problem. So I just put the net in front, and then in here I would also put the net in front, so that later if actually I can um, so later if I want to change or I want to add one more columns, and I have the same naming convention, and then I will be okay with that. Okay, so now I want to go to the pivot table and see how it goes with the so the store here, I will use the store net, and then I will use the name, or in this case the month, and then I need to check the measures as well, and then finally I want to combine the value. I will sum the values together. Okay, so in this case I need to do I need to sort by two things. The first thing is by store, and then the second thing is by measure, and then I run the workflow. Okay, so you can see here uh, the net, and then the others will be the last one, and then all the measure of the other will be combined. So I think the others here doesn't look good to me, so I will just do this trick. I plus 3, and then this one will be 4, and then other like this, so it will give me more sense of regularity. So in this case you can see 3 is the hill view, and then the 4 will be others. So you have numbers and then name. So let us add one more view in this case, which is by so in here you have the view by a net already, sorting by net already. So you see this number and this number, they are the same. So we can copy this all the way from here. Actually, you can copy all the way from here, and then you put it down here, somewhere around here. And then you can just link this one to this, and then this from here to this, but then you don't have to compute all the thing like this. You only need to sort this one by revenue, and then in here you change this one to revenue, and then this one by revenue as well. So as a result, you will have the different view. So I will bring this view from here to here, because actually it doesn't matter as long as I have the revenue net, and then revenue by sorry, sort by top by net and top by revenue, then I'm fine. So in here I just sort this one by revenue, and then everything else will be the same. So now I have two views. The first one will be by net. Okay, so until here I don't know why there's no net. Okay, there's supposed to be net in here. Oh, sorry, this guy. So this guy, because the the net is gone already, so I have to fix. So this one you can see the view is by net from 1 to 4, and then this one also net. If you want to keep it constant, you can as well. So just rename the column, and then you this one buys the top revenue, and then this one also have the revenue in it. So even when you rename this column already, but you see the labels here, you can still get, oh, this is uh, the order of the stores by revenue, and then you have all the measures. Okay, so that's the second example of table truncation. But then in this case, you have to you truncate the item with many measures, not the only revenue or only line, only row, item per row. This one is like the case of one item in many rows.